My video guide is dedicated to help you with getting rid of the ransomware called Roghe. Roghe is a ransomware that may essentially damage the files that users store on their hard drives. My video is only for the educational purposes, though. I'm not associated with this ransomware and I'm not promoting this ransomware. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. Well, before the ransomware attack, you are able to open the files without troubles. Pictures, music, Microsoft Office, documents, and all other data can be opened easily without troubles. Unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this Roghe ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. The ransomware encrypts files and damages them, and it also tells its victims that they should pay a special ransom for file recovery. The extension that is appended to the file names is ENC. So when you try to open the specific file, you get this message saying that Windows can't open this type of file with the ENC extension. But you should not pay the ransom. Pay the ransom does not guarantee the file restoration. If you pay the ransom, you may just waste your money without getting the data recovered. We recommend you to immediately remove this ransomware with the help of reliable antivirus such as Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and click on Start Scan button. The program will be initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. So the application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. The scanning itself will take some time. It depends on various factors. How long the scanning lasts. Combo Cleaner has got anti-ransomware feature. It allows you to add one or several folders that will be protected from ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. At the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of threats. You'll be able to know their locations. I recommend that you upgrade to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.